Hello everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I will show you a very pretty and very easy to make braid pattern. So we are working with an even number of stitches today, so this time we are not measuring but counting the stitches. And let's see how many we have right now. So 16 stitches in my case. I did a row and purl stitch as our base and then started with the pattern right away. So here we got started with the pattern. And yeah, we are casting the first stitch and knit stitch off, and then we are always doing two together. So I'll do it slowly so that you guys can follow. And here at the end also knit stitch. And now here do purl stitch and the whole row goes purlwise. And we end with a single stitch and knit stitch, and then we can turn everything around and do the purlwise row. And we simply keep repeating these two rows. So you can see this is super easy, and there's always 4 rows in between each diagonal. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Let me know what you think of the pattern. Maybe you've tried it out. Let me know if you found it difficult or super easy. I'd love to hear back from you. Apart from that, you can always subscribe to my channel for free and stay updated with everything I post, and shoot a thumbs up for this particular video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!